Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to put the rib dead center of a building, or how to just lay out something that is not divisible by 3. In this example, we're going to show that we have a 10-foot building, okay? So the center is going to be 5 foot. We know that. If we pull our tape out, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to mark the center at 5 foot. So now we have our center marked. With that, now we can jump over to the math portion of all this. So you're going to take 5 foot, and divide that by 3 foot. So you're going to take 5 foot and divide that by 3 foot, which will be 1.6666. 1.666. Okay. What this is telling me is that it's going to take 2 panels to get to this 5 foot point. But we need to take these 3 numbers, the 0.666. So we're going to take 3 foot and multiply that by 0.666, which gives us a 24-inch panel. And I'll show you on the calculator. You take 36 inches times 0.666, 24 inches. Now, I don't want to cut down these panels or anything like that, so I'm going to adjust them. The closest rib to 24 inches is 27. So minus 27 inches is negative 3 inches. So my siphon edge, and you should definitely check your siphon edge, is 1 inch. My siphon edge to center is 1 inch. So if I have 36-inch coverage, 36 plus 1 is 37. 37 inches. Now I subtract 3 from that. So 37 minus 3 equals 34 inches. Make another layout mark at 34. So now we have 34 marks. And what we can do is throw the panel on. So now we have the panel on that mark. Take our other panel, and now the 27-inch panel, the 27-inch rib should be center of the building. It is now centered. The rib is centered of the building. So this would be a great example for a 40 by 72. So 40 foot wide, 72 long building. 72 is divisible by 3, but 40 is not. So this would work on a building that is 40 foot in width and put a rib dead center at the building. Now, what we have to take into account for is, will our corner work with this rib layout? So we can easily check that. We know that one of our ribs is at 24 inches. And every rib on this panel is 9 inches. So if I take 24 inches minus 9 inches minus 9 inches, my very first rib is at 6 inches. So if I have a 4-inch corner, it will work. If this helps you, give me a like and let me know down in the comments if I'm wrong, because you never know. I could be wrong about something. No one is perfect, and yeah.